Hello students, today we'll start topic cilia and flagella. So what is the function of cilia and flagella? The function of cilia and flagella, this you aware of this word, they help in locomotion. Okay, help in locomotion in organism, and it create current for obtaining food. मीन्स फूड ऑप्टेन करने में हेल्प करते हैं. क्या करंट क्रिएट करते हैं एंड इट हेल्प इन ऑप्टेनिंग फूड मेनली इन एक्वेटिक मीडियम, मतलब जो वाटर में पाए जाते हैं एनिमल्स. तो दे क्रिएट करेंट्स एंड दे हेल्प इन ऑब्टेनिंग वाटर. एंड cilia and flagella, this you know in which organisms they are found. They are found in what? Bryophytes, motile algae, and zoospores, gametes of thallophytes. Okay, so basically what is cilia and flagella? Fine hair-like movable protoplasmic process of cells, which are capable, which are capable of producing a current in fluid, or you can say aquatic medium. It is medium for locomotion and obtaining food. Various process. So how mainly it looks cilia and flagella? Students, have a look on cilia and flagella. This is flagella. Okay, what is this organism is Euglena, and it is cilia. Okay. So they are also where in our body cilias are also found where? In tracheal and bronchial epithelial cells. Okay. So first mainly we will discuss the internal structure, which is the main, because remaining theoretical part you can study. Okay. Internal structure, it is made up of two parts. What are two parts? Protoplasmic sheet and protoplasmic sheet. What is this is the extension of plasma membrane. Right here it is extension of plasma membrane. And axoneme, second is axoneme or axial filaments, and it is arranged in 9+2 arrangement is important. its arrangement is 9 plus 2. Okay, 9 plus 2 arrangement means 2 will be in center and 9 will be in periphery. Periphery means बाहर की तरफ और ये दो सेंटर में. ठीक है, it is known as to C1 and C2, and the diameter of C1 is 250. I have written this, just rub it this, and it is also 250 Armstrong diameter. It is diameter. Okay, and there are total 13 protofilaments. Okay, let me draw the diagram. So internal structure consists of protoplasmic sheath, okay, and axonema. It arrangement is 9 plus 2. Let me write 2 center में and 9 periphery. उसको हम लोग माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स कहते हैं. Known as microtubules. Okay, 2 in center, 9 in periphery, known as microtubules. So I have shown you the diagram of cilia and flagella. Basically what, if you see the diagram of cilia and flagella, it is like, it is basal granule and it is pars here. It is basal granule. And it is sheath. ये जो उठा है पार्ट, तो हम लोग ये जो शीट में कवर है वो पार्ट स्टडी करेंगे. ये जो पूरा, ये नहीं सीलिया, ये जो शीट के अंदर है ग्रीन पार्ट, दैट वी विल स्टडी. ये जो सीलिया यहाँ से गया है, वी विल स्टडी दिस पार्ट, नॉट होल. ओके, एंड इट इज मेम्ब्रेन. ये ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर होता है, बट इट इज नाउ वी विल स्टडी एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, सो अरेंजमेंट आई हैव टोल्ड यू. एक्सियल का 9 plus 2 होता है. और कैसे होता है वो, doublet. It's a doublet, we can say. And here it is arm. So 13 protofilaments will be there. It is a tubule. Thirteen protofilament are there, and it is B tubule. It is A, and it is B tubule. इसमें 10. 10 protofilament. Okay, and you can say this is center, and wall is made and it is made up of tubulin protein. Wall is made up of protofilament. Wall is made up of protofilament. Okay, alpha and beta, which protein? Alpha and beta. Alpha and beta tubulin protein. So next start with the diagram. 9 arrangement I have told you. Okay, so it is cross bridge. It is C1 and it is C2. And inside is central tubule. It is cross bridge, we have to write here. C1, C2 we have read. Okay, it is central tubule. And what about this? It is central sheet. Now how many? 9 radial spokes we will draw. One, and this is radial spoke. Now AB doublets we will make. So A will be inside. Okay, okay, so we can write down it is AB doublets. It is A B A B A B. Okay, write down here. Now it will be joined with the help of AB linker. Now I will draw AB linker. This is A and it will join to B. A, it will join to B. It is A, it will join to B. Okay, what got to draw here? It's somewhat should be like this. Okay. So it's a AB linker chain. Okay, so this is the structure. And one thing more, I have for one thing more, projection. Here it is, projection. So it's the structure of cilia and flagella. Now we will write a protein. So C1 and C2, it is made up of dynein protein, AB linker, it is made up of nexin protein, and 9 doublets. These are doublets AB. It is made up of tubulin protein and radial spokes. They are made up of dense material. So remember dynein protein C1, C2, CD करके you can remember CD. Okay, dynein, nexin, इस लिंकर है, नेटवर्क नेक्सिन, ये ट्रिक लगा के याद करो. AB लिंकर, नेक्सिन लिंक है, नेटवर्क नेक्सिन, ठीक है. CD dynein, 9 doublet TT tubule and radial spokes dense material. Okay, so students, this is all about the structure of cilia and flagella. So this should also be, this central tubule is also made up of 13 protofilaments. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 12 13. 1 write down here 13. So this is all about the internal structure of cilia and flagella.